Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect your earbud to your Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disconnect guys your earbud, so as you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect earbud in our Infinix phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can we disconnect it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect this earbud. Then guys, you can see there's this more connection settings. So guys, tap here, and guys, you can see your Bluetooth settings. So guys, again tap. So you can see guys we have connected this P2 audio, and guys we want to disconnect. So how can we disconnect guys? Right side guys you can see this icon. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see your forget and disconnect option. So you want to forget, so guys click on forget, and guys you want to disconnect. So why we want to disconnect, so why we will click on disconnect option. So why this earbud will disconnect to your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earbud to our Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.